Okay, so you're going to create a slideshow that is going to help you study the sevens. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the waffle, go to slides. You're going to select a blank one. And now we're going to create our first home slide. So first I want to go ahead, I'm going to click on the top, click and drag, and then I could get rid of that. Then I'm going to click on number 1, hit Control C. That makes a copy of it. Now I go down below and hit Control V, and keep hitting Control V, and we'll make 10 slides. And now I go back up to number 1, and I'm going to go ahead and go Insert, Word Art. And I'm going to type in 7 times 2 equals, and hit Enter. Okay, now I'm going to make this smaller. And now I have my first one. That noise you hear is the dog in the background. Now, I want to make 7 times 2, I'm going to copy it a bunch of times. So I'm going to put my finger on the Control key, keep it down, and drag it over and let go. My finger's still on the Control key. I keep doing that, and I want to create 9 7 times 2s. Okay, now I want to go ahead and make this 7 times 3. So all I have to do is double click on it, click on the 2, and turn it into a 3. And I double click, turn that 2 into a 4. Double click, turn that into a 5. Double click, turn it into a 6. Click, turn it into a 7. Double click, turn that into an 8. Double click, turn that into a 9. And I'm going to turn this into a 10. Now I can click on this and I can make it any colors I want. Make each one of these a different color. And I can change this and make them anything I want. If I want, I could go here, change it into something even more different. So gradient, I'll go with this color. So I'm going to change these into whatever color I want. Okay, so I'm done with that. Now I want to go ahead and put my products or answers on each one of these. So I'm going to make this nice and easy. I'm going to take the 7 times 2, click on it. I'm going to hit Control C. Go to slide 2 and I hit Control V. And now I have 7 times 2. So I'm going to highlight 7 or double click on 7 times 2 and type in the answer, which is 14. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead, click on 7 times 3, Control C, and then Control V. 7 times 3, I'm going to make this bigger. Double click is 21. Okay, then I'm going to go to 7 times 4, Control V, Control C, and then Control V. And I'm going to do the same thing, 28. Okay, then I go 7 times 5, Control C, Control V, 35. 7 times 6, Control C, Control V, 42. Now all of the ones I just did, we've practiced and studied. Now here are the new ones. 7 times 7. Now I told Gunnar this one. Touchdowns actually 6 points plus 1 extra point, which is 7. So 2 touchdowns equal a football team, the 49ers. So 7 times 7 equals 49. Next one is 7 times 8. I hit Control C, Control V, and the way to remember this one is 7 times 8. You say to yourself, oh my goodness, this is so hard. No, it's not. It's easy. All I have to do is count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 9, I hit Control C, Control V. 7 times 9 is 63. And finally, 7 times 10. Control C, Control V. And I know that anything times 10 is just going to be the number 7 with a 0. 7 times 10 equals 70. And I'll name this, I click up here and I'll name this sevens.